Let's go over the scheduling module, starting with the clinics. Under the clinics, you can see all the clinics you have already added to the system over here. To add a new clinic, we click on the plus button. Define the clinic name. Let's call this Family Clinic. Here, you decide whether this clinic is for antenatal or for postnatal. Let's select antenatal. Then the clinic type. This is optional. I'll leave that blank. The department. Some clinics are managed by specific departments. You can select that from here. For now, let me just select the nursing department. You can select a specialty under this department or leave it blank if this clinic can be accessed by the entire department. The team that manages, let's say the internal medicine group. The location for this clinic, let's say consultation room 1. Then over here, you define the color code that will be used to identify this clinic on the calendar. The first one is the highlighted color, and the second one is the text color. So when there is any appointment for this clinic, it will be highlighted with this color. So you can select the color. Let's say a green background. And then we'll have a white text. Time allocation for each appointment or duration for a single appointment visit. For this, let's put 20 minutes. Then with this, you can select if this clinic will run daily, weekly, or monthly. Depending on when the clinic is running, you can select the different days or the repetition at which this clinic will run. Since we are doing an antenatal family clinic, we will make it run weekly. And it will run every Monday. Then you can decide if this clinic has an end. There are some clinics that you can set up for just a one-off event. In that case, you decide when the clinic will stop operation. Then over here, you select the date this clinic will start operations, and then the time period for each of the days this clinic is open. Let's say for this, we have the clinic start operations by 8 o'clock. And then, depending on the duration, you can select when the clinic will stop operation. Let's say by 2 p.m. This is for the first visit consultation fee. This is the fee that a patient will pay for the first time. This fee is usually higher than the subsequent visit because of some registrations that has to be made on the first visit. With this, let's say $10,000. And for the subsequent fee, let's say $2,000. This is the consultation code. We can call this FMC. Then this is the GL code, where the revenue from this clinic will go to. Apply discount. Select this if you want discount to be applicable for this clinic. And then valid for. This will determine how long the consultation fee is valid for. So let's say the consultation fee is valid for 30 days, after which the patient will have to pay consultation fee again. The last option is to allow appointment booking online. This is for the people that make use of the mobile app to be able to book appointments online. And then we save. Over here we have our family clinic. You can always click on it and use the edit button to change anything you want to change, or simply delete if you don't need it any longer. Next, under the scheduling, we have the appointments. This is the calendar where you see all the appointments in the clinic. You can view by month or you can view by week. Now to add a new appointment, you select the clinic you want to make an appointment in. And then click on the Add New Appointment. Over here, you select the date for the appointment. Let's say on a Saturday. And then you select the type of appointment, a follow-up appointment. You select the patient. Let's type in the patient's name. Let's select this patient. You select whether this is a telephone or online consultation. Then you select whether this appointment will be assigned to a staff, a group, or a department. If it's assigned to a staff, you select the staff that this consultation is for, and then the time for the consultation. If it's for a group, you select the group that this consultation is for. And the same thing for the department, you select the department that this consultation is for. Let me select a staff. I'll type in the name. And then the appointment start time. Let's say it starts by 8 o'clock. And it ends by 8:20. And then I'll add it here. We can see our appointment, can click on it to edit it. The next is consultation pricing. This is where we have the consultation price list for different HMOs. From here, you can edit this price list, and then the first visit and the subsequent visit. Let's say the first visit of our family clinic is $10,000, and the subsequent visit is $2,000. Over here, you can define the first visit and subsequent visit of this clinic on all the HMOs. Let's say, for example, we have the first visit for the Green Life to be $8,000, and then the subsequent visit to be $2,000. In this case, Green Life is subsidizing the consultation first visit fee for their plan holders. This is how you can define it for all the HMOs your organization is working with. And lastly, under the scheduling, we have the duty roster. This is where you schedule the staff that will be on duty on each particular day or week. To add people to the roster, click on the Add New button. Here you select the dates. You can select the start dates. Let's say it's starting from the 15th, and then on the 16th, 17th, and 18th. And then you select the duty ID. These are the people that are on afternoon shift for these dates. Then you select the staff. Let's select this person. And this person. So you can add. Now that we've added the afternoon shift, we can see it started from the 15th and entered next week, up until Wednesday. So from here, you can also filter to only see night shift or to only see afternoon shift. You can as well print this roster to have it visible where everyone can easily see the days they will be on duty.